Hello Fanatics! With our review of The Possession of Hannah Grace coming out, we decided to share a few films to watch if you liked it. Enjoy! The Exorcist is a horror directed by William Friedkin, starring Ellen Bernstein, Max von Sydow, and Linda Blair. It follows the story of a mother who seeks the help of two priests after her daughter has been possessed by a mysterious entity. This film has similar horror, themes, tone, style, and atmosphere. There are frightening scenes throughout. Last Shift is a horror directed by Anthony DiBlasi, starring Juliana Harkavy, Joshua Mickle, and Hank Stone. It follows the story of a rookie cop who works her first shift alone on the last night of a closing police station. This film has similar horror, themes, tone, and atmosphere. There are violent and frightening scenes throughout. The Autopsy of Jane Doe is a horror directed by Andre Overdahl, starring Brian Cox, Emile Hirsch, and Ophelia Lovibond. It follows the story of a father-son coroner team who attempt to identify the body of a young woman that came to them under mysterious circumstances. This film has similar horror, themes, tone, style, and atmosphere. There's graphic nudity, violent and frightening scenes throughout. The Exorcism of Emily Rose is a horror directed by Scott Derrickson, starring Jennifer Carpenter, Laura Linney, and Tom Wilkinson. It follows the story of a lawyer who takes on a negligent homicide case involving a priest who performed an exorcism on a young girl. This film has similar horror, themes, tone, style, and atmosphere. There are frightening scenes throughout. Unrest is a horror directed by Jason Todd Ibsen, starring Corey English, Scott Davis, and Joshua Alba. It follows the story of a young med student working in a morgue who suspects the spirit of a cadaver is killing all those who came into contact with the body. This film has similar horror, tone, themes, style, and atmosphere. There is graphic nudity and violent scenes throughout. Hopefully you liked some of these films just as much as you did The Possession of Hannah Grace. If you have any films you'd like to recommend to us or to the community, or you want to tell us what you thought of these films, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out our latest Film Fanatic review, where we discuss the film The Possession of Hannah Grace. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. And until next time, Fanatics, keep it real.